Alright guys, welcome. I hope you enjoyed everything we talked about in that video. Yes, showing you step by step how to design a blog. As you already know, we'll be designing a blog that will beat the Linda Ikeji blog we showed you in the last video. If you have not watched that video and you are watching this video, please go back and watch that video. Yes, we explained in the last video that we'll go on into revamping that page to exactly what we have seen in the Linda Ikeji blog and do something even better. But some persons are not happy that we are going forward. Those persons who have not bought their domains. Yes, that is the major reason why we have decided to pause a little bit, go back and show them exactly how to get to the point where we are now. We have gotten to the point where we saw our WordPress back end. So those who have not bought their domains, this video is basically for you. How you can use the free WordPress domain to do what? Set up your own blog. So we can be on the same page. We can be on the same pace, okay? It is not difficult. It is very, very easy. The very first thing that you need to do is head on over to wordpress.com. As you can see, I am on wordpress.com. WordPress basically is the CMS that we are using to design this our blog, but we want to use their free domain because we don't have money to buy a domain for now, or we just want to practicalize with it. So first thing first, head on to the website and you will see this start your website button here. Just click on start your website and automatically it will take you to a page where you put in your registration details. Okay, so just like we are buying a cPanel from Namecheap, it is just like that. We are just putting in the registration details there and asking WordPress to give us what? A free domain. Very, very easy. So let me just put in any email address. Alright, that's the email address. Then put in our username. Let me just use this as a username. Then we'll put in our username. Alright, then choose a password. Alright, and then we'll do what? Click on create your account. Very, very easy and straight to the point. Alright guys, so after registering or logging in, the next thing you are going to see on your page is exactly a point where they will ask you to select your domain. Your profile has been created, but they want you to start creating your website immediately. This part can be very, very tricky. So just put in your desired domain name. Let's just say you want to create a blog, Richard ESEEEMURU.com. Yes. Now we hit what? Search. For it to search for the domain name. So at this point, guys, as you can see, it is actually bringing up an option for us to buy the domain from them. Take note. It is bringing up an opportunity or a point where it is asking us to buy the domain from them. But I told you that we are not spending any dime getting this domain because they want to sell their products. That is the reason why they're actually bringing this up before you right now. But the next thing we're actually going to do now is, instead of selecting any of the domains they have here, we're just going to click on review our plans to get started. So click on this. So guys, it's going to bring you up to this page where you'll be asked to choose any plan out of these paid plans. Okay, what you just have to do is click on this plan that says start with personal. Forget about the $4 you are seeing here. We're not paying any dime to them. So click on start with personal and you're actually going to see this come up. Okay, so hooray, your site will be ready shortly. All they are trying to do is propagate that payment gateway and the rest of them, but we are not going to allow them to do that. They've created the site already for us. They created the domain already for us. So we just have to do what? Close this. Okay, you see, I told you they were making preparations for us to make payment. We just have to close this before they bring it up. Wipe all these parts, remove it. See, they brought up a platform where they want us to make payment, but we're not making payment. Wipe off these parts from this checkout that you can see here and leave only the wordpress.com here. Leave only that and hit what? Enter. It will take you straight to your dashboard. Your site has been created already. The domain has been created already. All we just need to do is what? Launch the website. Okay? this simple trick I just showed you, there is one other trick I will show you in the next video where we'll start designing the blog properly. There's another trick I'm going to show you. A trick that will help us launch the website without making that payment. Remember I told you there is one disadvantage of using WordPress.com. Can you see that here? WordPress.com. Instead of your site.com, it's going to carry what? WordPress.com. So how do you now access the back end so that we can meet up with those other guys who have made payments for their domain and who are already on the back end of their WordPress website? If you come down here to your tabs, you will see what? WP admin. Does this sound familiar? Click on WP admin and it will take you straight to the point where you can now start editing the back end of your website. So if you observe this very, very well, you are going to see donreach506.wordpress.com. That is the name of the website. All of this we can change from this point. We can change site name, change everything and the rest of them. We are all going to do that in the next video, where we will be showing the other guys how to edit their theme, and also we also will be coming down here how to edit our theme. Our major aim of bringing up this video now is to make sure that we who have not gotten our domain meet up with these guys who have gotten their domain. As you know, they are already on this dashboard page where we are right now, and we also are already on the dashboard page. So guys, we are together. So what we have to do now is a brief assignment. A brief assignment. Both those who have bought their domains and those who have not bought their domains, everybody should take the videos step by step and come up to the point whereby we can see your dashboard. That means we are ready to design this blog. Okay? So whether you've actually bought a domain or you've not bought a domain, you do not have an excuse for not showing us your dashboard. Whether you have a computer or you don't have a computer, you do not have an excuse for not showing us your dashboard in the assignment section below. So all you just need to do is take a screenshot of your dashboard like this. I want to see the name, your name, your email address if you are using this, and if you use not a domain name, I want to see your domain name. That is the proof. Screenshot it and send it to us as your assignment. If you are doing it on your phone, just see what you can do. Okay? Screenshot it and send it to us on the email address. I have one very last special video to show you before we go home for today. I have dropped that video in the group already. Go and check it out.